The Azuma train has got to a dead end. There's the Azuma train, class 801. Here is the Azuma, the class 801. It's also a bullet train. Look how cool you can get. They're so comfortable. I have to get these one day. It's got Azuma on the train. Wow. Wow. Something here at King's Cross. There's no rail. There's no rail on this side. There used to be a rail here. No longer is. Platform 9 and 10. Maybe it's a mysterious Harry Potter one. Platform 9 and 3/4 is over there somewhere. Platform 4. This is the station, King's Cross, yeah. But look, no rail. No rail. How often do you see that? In King's Cross, I thought I'd show you the building. It's quite a big building. It's quite modernised. People don't know about this bit. There's no part in the new part. This is the new part. It's been here a while, but you can see the old structure up there. I like what they've done with the place. It's showing you looking up so you can give you an idea of what it's like. The architecture. Famous Oxford Street at night, and this is the bit you don't see. Tottenham Court Road where it crosses over. It's a bit of a different scenery for you. There's no point walking down the left. It's only about 30 seconds to 25 seconds to get down to the bottom. By the time I get to the bottom, I'll probably get the same train as they did. Yeah, that's how it works. People think it's faster than your left side, which is actually technically slower, so I'll be getting exactly the same train. Unless it's pulled in now and pulled out, which is a bonus.